Go on. Crochet the double crochet. There are 56 double crochets after done. Like this. Roll up like this later. Turn over. Like this. After that, count a stitch. This place is the first stitch. This V-shape is a stitch. From this place the first to the second, the third stitch. Crochet 8 double crochets in the third stitch. Wind. Pass through the third stitch. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over. Wind and yarn over the remaining 2 loops. This is a double crochet. Crochet 8 double crochets in the same stitch. Wind and pass through the stitch. Count a stitch. Make a slip stitch in the third stitch. Wind and yarn over the loop. This is a slip stitch. Crochet 8 double crochets in the third stitch. Wind pass through the stitch, wind and yarn over. One double crochet. Make a slip stitch in the third stitch. Make a slip stitch. Skip 2 stitches. Crochet 8 double crochets in the third stitch. Skip 2 stitches and make a slip stitch. Go on another like this, skip 2 stitches. Crochet 8 double crochets in the third stitch. Go on. In the same way,